up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to be making some French bread, bacon and pineapple and onion pizza for my grandmother, man, because, you know, a couple weeks ago, my grandmother passed away, and so I remember her cooking this. She would get, you know, we go over to her house, and she brings us to the house, and we'd have to go to Consumers and get snacks. We get some Reese's Cups and some soda pop, and then she ordered pizza, and she said, what do you want on yours? And we would just get pepperoni or some shit, you know, boring like that. She would always get bacon and onions, and back then we were like, Grandma, oh my God, what are you doing over there? But, you know, as I get older, I'm like, that sounds pretty damn good. So, in honor of her, I will make this. So in honor of my old Grandma Roadrunner. This thing, she used to love the Roadrunner, boy. We call it Grandma Roadrunner. She had Roadrunner curtains in her house. Roadrunner and Pepsi, man. She loved it. So let's go ahead and get into this because we got to get ready and watch Cool Runnings too. We used to watch it on the movie night. Cool Runnings, man. She let with Spanka. Spanka had her cracking up.
You want to kiss my egg?
I'm not kissing no egg.
Suit yourself.
He's crazy. So, let's get started on this. First thing I'm going to do, fry this bacon. And today I got this hickory smoked bacon. That's pretty good. Got to make sure it's fried crisp, ain't that right, Stacey? You don't want none of that nasty old nasty cat. Get that in there, cook it in there. Then when that's cooking in there, go ahead and cut up this yellow onion, dice it up good. And flip your bacon over. Once your bacon's done, we're going to take it out. Then we're going to get our French bread. Cut that sucker in half, and the other half we're going to make some cheese bread. So watch me do that too. Now, got my bacon done, got my bread cut, got my onion cut. Let's go ahead and drop that onion in the damn thing down there, man. You know, you get this onion. My dad used to stay up all night like we used to do with Grandma. Bought us that GameCube, man. I swear my brother and I, we saw Ray Lewis in 720p or whatever it's called, and we couldn't believe it. So we had to stay up all night, and this onion gonna do the same thing. So take the onion, drop it in that bacon grease. We're going to reuse that bacon grease because it's good. I didn't tell you to dump it, did I? No, stop. Now, listen. Now, get the onion, drop it in there, saute it around, make it damn good like Denzel. She said the hots for Denzel too. I was like, God, I said, Grandma. So, got the onions done. Now let's make a pizza. And the thing about this, my sister said, Grandma liked that sweet sauce. She kind of liked the pizza sauce. I don't really have no pizza today. I ain't gonna make homemade because you know me. I ain't got time for that shit sauce. We taking this Hunt's pasta sauce, meat style, and I'll make a little sweetie with a little bit of pineapple juice. Pour a little bit of that in there. Put pineapple to the side. We're gonna need that later. Stir that up. We've got our cut bread. Slightly use some sauce on there. Me, I like it saucy, but you like me on Friday night. Well, I don't tell Grandma that. I never. Well, she probably did. She watched the show. She loved to watch my cooking show, so I had to do this for her. Now, get the sauce, spread it on there. Now, let's take some shredded cheese. It's a sharp cheddar, baby. It's looking good. Put it on there. And then we're going to add to this bacon that we've crushed up. Ooh, don't it look so fine? I'm going to have a little piece for myself, just a taste test. Put that on there, put our onions on top of that, and then we're going to add this pineapple for some sweet, because Stacey said that's what she used to do. I don't even remember the bacon and onions, but you know what? I'm all for it. So, got that, got our sweet sauce. We're going to put just a bit more cheese on top to hold everything together and hold us tight. So, we're going to have a good one tonight. Put it in the oven. I turn on 400. And don't leave it in there long, Big Daddy, because the bacon's cooked, the bread's cooked. You're really just melting that cheese. So, you might more like 325 and maybe leave it in there for 5-10 minutes or so. Check it, don't wreck it. And then you'll be ready for a sight and a big old pizza bite of Grandma's favorite. Bacon, onion, and pineapple pizza, my man. So, we're going to get out of here like E.T. because they're sitting over there in their corner going, remember that? Remember that? Alright, baby, the time has come. Grandma's bacon, pineapple, onion pizza is done. And I'm having the first bite for myself, and I got my fork on standby here because this son of a gun is blazing hot coming out of there. So, let's see if we can get this bite. Even the dog wants to. He's trying to sneak. My God. That bacon, man. Who doesn't love bacon? And with that onion in there, and even the onion got a little bacony taste to it because we fried it in that bacon grease. And the pineapple. And that sweet sauce, bringing it all back together. It's good stuff. I tell you, whole house smelled like Grandma's house. She used to make onion spaghetti, and we'd be like, ooh, man. And now I'm like, hey, that don't sound too bad. Especially after eating that, so. Good stuff. Good memories. Miss you, Grandma. I love you. And love all of you. And thank you for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Outlaw. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. And also watch all my other cooking videos right here on the YouTube channel. Now, you'll excuse me, I'm going to finish this pizza, have a little more memories, turn on Cool Runnings, and have a good night. So, hope you have one too. See you next time.